Are you ready to transform your kitchen? The Paris Hilton 10-piece Gold Handle Nonstick Set is a game changer. Imagine cooking without food sticking. This set makes it real. It has a special non-stick coating. This means effortless cooking, and cleanup is a breeze. It's like magic for your meals. No more scrubbing burnt bits. Furthermore, the matching lids are so chic. They have shiny gold handles. These handles are not just pretty, they are also comfortable to hold. This cookware set is made without PFOA, so it's safe for your family. It's also dishwasher safe. Thus, cleanup is simple. You can just load it up, then let the machine do the work. Moreover, this Paris Hilton 10-piece Gold Handle Nonstick Set brings elegance. The cream color is sophisticated. It brightens any kitchen. It feels luxurious, yet it's practical. The set includes all you need. There are pots and pans. You can cook anything, from sauces to stir-fries. Each piece performs beautifully. It heats evenly, too. This means better results. Your food will cook perfectly. For instance, eggs slide right off. Pancakes flip with ease. Therefore, cooking becomes a joy. It's like painting on a smooth canvas. Every dish is a masterpiece. Finally, investing in this Paris Hilton 10-piece Gold Handle Nonstick Set is smart. It's durable and stylish. It's an upgrade for your kitchen. You'll love cooking again. Besides, it makes a great gift. Think of new homeowners, or anyone needing new cookware. This set truly shines. It combines beauty and function. Ultimately, it's cookware that sparkles, just like Paris Hilton herself. So, why wait? Make your kitchen fabulous today. Pros: gorgeous, perfect pop of color, amazing quality, non-stick coating works like a dream, handles stay cool. While cooking, sturdy but lightweight, cook everything evenly and perfectly, pans clean up easily, not too heavy for older people, great functionality, worth every penny, can cook without oil, beautiful set. Cons: bottoms stain easily, finish came off after one wash, pots are too small, may not last long. Color can fade. Features: Paris Hilton branded 10-piece set, cream color, non-stick coating, multi-layer non-stick. Matching lids included. Gold handles on lids, PFOA free, dishwasher safe, cookware set. The Paris Hilton iconic non-stick pots and pans set is a 10-piece cookware set in a cream color. These pots and pans have a multi-layer non-stick coating that's made without PFOA, so food won't stick. They also come with matching lids that have gold handles. Plus, this whole set is dishwasher safe, making cleanup super easy. This 10-piece Paris Hilton cookware set in cream is a beautiful addition to any kitchen, adding a pop of color with its gold-handled lids. Users love its amazing quality and the dreamlike performance of its multi-layer non-stick coating, which allows for cooking without oil and makes cleanup a breeze. The handles stay cool, and the pots and pans cook food evenly. They are also sturdy yet lightweight, making them easy to handle for anyone. However, some users have noted that the bottoms can stain easily. The finish might come off after washing. The pots can be too small for some needs, and the color may fade over time, raising concerns about long-term durability.